Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can bring back the classic right-click menu in Windows 11. So there you can see whenever I click on anything, there is a new menu in Windows 11. But if you click on Show More Options, so you're going to see the classic right-click menu. So I'm going to show you how you can simply change it. So for this, go to Registry Editor. And open the HKey current user software. Here find the classes, simply open it. Well, now from here you have to find the CLSID, and once you're there, just keep it open, and there you have to create a new file. Simply create a new key and rename it on this name. You're going to find this new key in the description, so you can simply copy it from there and paste it here. Once done, I think I did a mistake. Let me just do it again. Just go to key and copy this with brackets. I'm going to paste it in the description so you can easily find it there. Just copy this and paste it here, and that's it. Once done, now you have to create the key and name it import server 32. We copied that from the description and paste it here, and click on modify and click OK. That's it. Now guys, you just have to restart your PC to see the old right click context menu on your Windows 11. So let's restart it. And guys, now there you can see when I right click on anything, it's showing me the classic right click index menu. So this is how you can change it. Now if you wanna change it back to the Windows 11 menu, just simply open Registry Editor and delete everything that we have created now. Simply delete this folder. And that's it. Now when you right click on anything, it will open the official menu. So guys, this is how you can change the Windows 11 right click menu. That's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.